welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This is called the top can frequent elements. So somebody give you a list 1 1 1 2 2 3 and k, then you need to find the top k most frequent element. So you start from, so in this one the first is 1, the second is 2, because 1 happens 3 times, 2 happen 2 times, and 3 happen 1 times. Okay, so basically this is the dictionary. This dictionary just count how many the key is the number, and the value is the frequency. So it's 1 1 1 2 2 3, and this is called all frequency. Okay, so let me show what it did. Suppose in this case that what you will get is this. So this D is what you will get. Okay, and then we will call a function called a sorted D key D get. And for example, this will sorted this dictionary by its value. So it will happen called the 3 2 1, because 3 happen 1 times, and the 2 happen 2 times, 1 happen 3 times. So this is sorted by the value. So this is 1 2 3, and its key is 3 2 1. So we will get a key. So this is what we want. This key is what we want. Let me show another example. So for example, if 4 map to 7 times, then what we will show is that 4 will become the first one. Oh, sorry, 4 will become the last one, because we start from the smallest and to the largest. So 1 2 3 4. So we will get this 3 2 1 4. Okay, so this list is what we want, but we want the largest, right? So we need to reverse this list. So we just reverse this list. We just reverse this list. I call it X. I just reverse this list, and I take the first k element. And this can be quickly success. And the running time is much better than O log n log n, because I sorted. And so at most is n log n, and this is just linear time, and n log n. So and reverse is also n. So we have n plus n log n. So the answer should be n log n. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.